Good morning, everyone. Today is the maybe third day, yes. And my father's apartment have this reform, and I did not go to see yesterday, so I want to know the progress. So today I will take you again to my father's place to see the progress, because tomorrow I have to go to countryside. I will take you to a Chinese countryside, as I'm going to take my Japanese violin making student to my Chinese violin making students workshop to teach them how to making violins. Okay. So I will also make a series of videos to show you how violin is made from scratch. Okay. So tomorrow, please follow me to the countryside of China. And today, now I go to my father's apartment again to see the progress of the reform. Okay, thank you. As you can see, the road is very clean, all thanks to the people who cleaning the road.
好品质，价更优。通城电器提醒您。
还没啊？他们准备什么时候上呢？
二马路到了，请带好随身携带的物品，准备下车。
这个月整训，那要么就同步嘛，设计就一个版本，好不好？
The driver is making a phone call. It is normal in China. This is a school time. School, all the parents come here to pick up their kids. That's very typical in China. Look at this. Mother take your kid.
周宇。
你做专利，你得上人很快。我真的不知道。他意思，如果最后你做不出来什么东西的。
Again, I'm very close to my father's old apartment. Took me over 1 hour. 2 buses change to come here. Let's see what has been changed. Okay. Wow. First of all, the door is new. It's a new door. Okay. I don't have a key. I cannot get in. Oh, it's locked. Wow, cannot get in. I have to call. That's my window. It's empty. Window not yet. It turned out to be the contractor is have lunch now. So I go out to have lunch myself. After lunch, we'll come here again to see how much they have done to the house. That's my father's house. And here is an internet bar. In this internet bar, they have free Wi-Fi. That will help a lot. Free Wi-Fi, it's very good. Lexus. In such a place. As I said, this is a student place, and 一个饭菜是我是送进的咯，啊，饭菜我是送进，
就是称菜，菜是用称的。
哦，称，最后就是好，哦，好好，晓得晓得，等等。
吃什么叫打称？
啊，好好好好，啊，给一个给我。饭呢？饭是我是搞的。
饭是免费的。
啊，饭是免费的啊。Okay, the rice is free. For all this, they weigh by weight. You just take whatever you like, and then you just weigh. So, what I want to eat. Okay. Yeah, the good thing here is I take everything, a little bit of everything. So I don't have to focus on just 1 or 2. I just take whatever I like and weigh it here to see how much it costs.
10块钱。
啊，好好好。10 Chinese yen. 10 Chinese yen. How much is it? Just a minute. Theoretically, it's a 10 renminbi, but she only take 9, so it means that $1.50. $1.50 for all this food, and I can take as much rice as I like. And it has a chicken, has beans, has smoked pork, and a pepper fried with pork, and vegetables. Oh, everything. And all this, you know, I say how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different dishes for $1.50. This is China, student life. Student life. I love it here. The only pity is that I don't have time to live here. I don't have time, just too busy. Otherwise, if I get some teaching position here, teach English or something, I would love to come here to stay in my father's apartment and just live here, you know. It's such a nice place. Now the lunch time is over. All the students go back. Now the street is so quiet. Just to finish the lunch, and I go to see the apartment again. Nice door. Okay. Wow. It's clean. Okay. Wow, it's very clean. This will be changed. We have a new one. Okay. This is not finished yet. I think we need to have one more time. Okay.
贵不啦？
啊，蛮漂亮，还蛮高咯。
贵啊！
贵了蛮高。
我刮了，找到了，就你昨天刮开到了。
那外面的不行了。
还没干呢，这个是。
哦。
我是昨天刮的啦。
哦。
它已经干出来了。
干个就不给它。
过还要干呢，越干越薄。
哦，好。越干越薄。OK。你这个厕所是就按个人搞的，还是把它做平啊？还是就在书库上面走啊？不要走平了，就在上走厕所马桶。
老人看这平台嘛，不是看你打到底肯定不好看了的。
是咯，我就是讲你要做水果噻，你做水果的话，那你放贴纸卷的话，那不如把那个做高一点个子，最高点个底下做水果。
你走到平了。
不是的，我不是个意思的。
它是要低点了，为啥讲它是要低点了？
是这不是的，我是讲你过里放这个洗脸纸噻，那洗脸纸有下水道不咯？
洗脸纸我看放到物料放不得吧？那洗澡的。
洗澡在锅里。
洗澡放在屋里就得洗脸纸。
洗脸纸放在锅里啊？
放哪里啊？放哪里洗澡就在锅里洗哦，那就。
那锅里洗澡也可以啊，那随便你啊。
锅里洗澡。你看那个好像我吃的过头，你洗手就后一样，那草案小点，我到底洗澡去了，要么呢就个到地方洗手，不弄个就。
锅里洗手好些，锅里洗手好些，洗澡。
锅里洗手好些不？
对。
晓得了，那就在洗手就搞锅里了。
不能。
洗澡
搞锅里对。
洗澡
搞锅里对，因为锅里低点个子就，所以也不能搞上去噻。
锅里啷个都有呢，我给你送到两只在的，我就把它包到锅头去。
好。
要个头根晓吧？你。但是找到几次你的师傅呢，把你的马上搞定。
啊，好，谢谢。
那是我50几岁就搞定。
认做事的人啊。些年轻人不行。
面的时候要诚心，要补好，要搞好。他装报告嘛，你别个的喊，我们那你看那不是蛮客气的，你能看到外面看到。没可以想。不是门压得深，他就要壁纸好了，他压得过深。壁纸不好，他就压不得过深，晓得吧？不是死嘛子逼。不过他自己愿意搞就搞不，你给我搞的也是他的本事。
搞的是他的，倒是见不得了，搞得好看点子了就是。
好看那个子，你过去还是学过的，我还是学过去了。
过面就不动了噻，只能搞过一面了。要搞的话只能搞，或者是这种过。
下面搞这就是，搞哪有这个字？我就不会搞，那净是一些个的马屁行为就不晓得哪里。
对于我那个门的工还是搞白点个子咯。
哪会搞的？哪正先搞的？哪我现在我自个我要用他们来搞的。门的只有一个师傅来的，门的有个师傅来。
好了，晓得了，再说谢谢你啊，我就可能再进不得了，我要来可能到13号去了。要之前的话，如果我哥哥有时间过来过来，你行啊，谢谢叔啊，好，再见啊，there isn't much to see, but you can see it's much cleaner now, and the real sense, the real point is on the way. Okay, from my brother's place, come here, from here, go back. You can see a lot of things. So to come here, this is my father's apartment, becomes kind of an excuse for me to have some activity to do. Otherwise, in my brother's place, nothing to do. Okay, get bored. Now I'm going back. Today I want to walk on the river. I will tell you a story about my life story, which is in my book, Father, Son, Violin. And when I'm at that spot, I will tell you the story. Okay, please follow me.